Hey y'all, it's your girl Shonda, aka GuruWannaBe. This is my first time doing my mother's makeup in about 5 years, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna start off with her brows, and we're just gonna fill in any sparse spaces that we see within her natural brow hairs. We're gonna fill that in with pencil. We're not gonna do anything too dramatic, too dark, too heavy, because we want it to appear as though it's her natural skin. Okay, so the whole ultimate goal when doing someone's makeup who is of a mature age is to have the makeup look as though it is exactly their skin. We don't want to go too heavy with foundation or concealer or even brow pencil. We don't want it too dark. We want it to look like it is their skin, them glowing, period. By the time I'm done with this video, I bet y'all can't even guess my mama's real age. I bet you can't. Now, all of that product I just applied to clean up any of the pencil that I may have made a mistake with. I'm just blending all of that downward towards her lower lid or towards her lash line, so all of that space can be the same color. Now we're just going to go in with the same shade of concealer and clean up the top portion of her brows. In some cases, this isn't necessary because it depends on the look that you're going for, honestly. If you want a cleaner brow, you can do this. If you don't want as defined of a brow, then you can skip this step. It's all about the look that you're going for. Also, another tip when doing mature skin or doing makeup on mature skin, don't hesitate to lift, to stretch skin, to make sure that whatever product that you're using is consistent all throughout the skin. If that means you have to stretch it, lift it, pull it, as long as you are gentle and as long as it is not uncomfortable to the person that you are doing makeup for, just do what you need to do to make sure the look and the goal is achieved. Okay, moment of honesty, okay? Alright. Makeup is my second hobby. Hair is my first, okay? So I do not proclaim to be perfect in any shape, way, or form when it comes to makeup. I don't really follow a routine, or I'll say not necessarily a routine, but in the moment of doing makeup, I might not be as consistent as I know that I can be. But with that being said, I say all of that to say that there are some things looking back at this video that I wish I had done better, but I feel like the overall goal was achieved. So try not to like go in too hard on me about this cut crease though. That's what I'm talking about. Cause for real, y'all, the ultimate goal was to get my mama back on YouTube, because it's been 5 years, and just for us to have like a mother-daughter bonding moment. I don't know if you could tell by the video, but like, she be talking shit. We laughing on some of the stuff that y'all didn't see. We cutting up, listening to Anita Baker. So it really ain't about the makeup, it's about the bonding. Okay, bam. Like, sis, bro, whomever you are, if you are talented in makeup in any shape, way, or form, if you can apply makeup in the most basic manner possible, I think you should get your mama right now and be like, hey mama, let's do your makeup. Or, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a bonding experience. It's like, these are the type of videos that you're gonna be able to look back later on and be like, me and my mama did that. Like, ooh, I made her look cute. Or like, that day I made her feel really good. Or, you know, just, I don't know, it's just a bonding experience. So it's really not about the technique, it's not about the perfection, it's about how it makes the person feel. For example, the last little time me and mama got on YouTube and decided to put out a video, at the time she had a little boyfriend she was dating, right? And I was telling her while I was doing her makeup, like, raise your eyebrows, surprise, your boo just walked in, surprise. And I was just like making her raise her eyebrows and stuff. But like I said, it's about the memories that you make with the person. And half the time, like, let's be serious, when we in the house and we putting on makeup, half the time we not going nowhere. So it's about how it makes you feel. It's about the transformation. It's about the art. And the art ain't necessarily about the technique. It's about the vibe. Hey you guys, I really do apologize about the blurriness of my camera at the moment. So if you see some blurry spots, it's just where my camera wasn't focusing. Could you all recommend in the comments below a camera that you feel like has great quality? Because this is currently a Nikon and it's not my favorite, but it's not the worst. But however, there are better out there, and I know that Canon is one of them. So if any of you all have cameras, please don't hesitate to suggest cameras below in the comments.
As I've mentioned before, it's not about technique. It's really about how the person feels after they have the makeup on. It's about the inner transformation as well as the exterior transformation. However, like I said before, don't hesitate when doing a mature person's makeup. Do not hesitate to stretch skin, to lift, to as long as it is comfortable to the person who you are applying makeup to. As long as they are not uncomfortable, stretch that eyelid so that you can get that gel liner on perfectly, so that the gel liner is consistent and fluid throughout the whole eyelid. Just do what you gotta do, sis. Don't be scared. And it was at this very moment where I could tell she liked the outcome of what she saw. Okay? Have you ever been doing somebody's makeup and you can tell that before they even see it, they already feel pretty? Like, you'll see what I mean later on in the video when she's making all them faces and stuff, but or when whoever's makeup you're doing or whoever's hair you're doing, like, you can tell that they instantly feel the difference. Like, they feel cute. That's right, girl.
Oh, okay. Serve it. Then, yeah. Oh, shoot, I forgot mascara. Go off. Go off, then, sis. Go off. Yes. And then what else? Oh, that's all you got. You show, okay, yeah. Oh, look at me. Oh.
69 and fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Go ahead and check my cousin's page out and see you in the next video.